Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how you can test your APIs in minutes, and we will also cover a product that will help you test your APIs really easily. So before getting into the fun part, let's start with what API testing is. So API testing is the testing of the API, and it is important because it checks whether the different part of the API is communicating properly or not. If it if it doesn't, it will cause a lot of problems in the future or even server crashes. And functional testing, on the other hand, ensures that each feature of the application or the API works exactly as expected. Together they build a reliable and smooth software. In today's software engineering world, manual testing is taking place when we are talking about API testing. So a software engineering team or a backend team will test your API or their API, and they will figure out if there is any problem, is it good to go, and all the other things. So the problem with that is it takes a lot of effort. First of all, it takes money as well, or the cost, or and time as well. So we can solve this all these problems using AI, and KushoAI is here to help us solve this problem. So KushoAI will just test your APIs within minutes and with minimal manual efforts required. You only have to do is just install the web browser extension, and it is completely free. So I will just walk you through the platform and let's see how you can test your API. So you have to click on login here. I have already logged in, so it will just directly lead me to a page. And yes, so in today's video we will be seeing API testing, so I will just click on that. And after clicking on that, we will go to API test suites, and we will click on create. So there are four methods that KushoAI gives you to test your APIs. The first one is the HTTP methods. You just have to put a URL link and it will test your API. Second one is OpenAI specification JSON, so you can also put your Swagger here. And Postman collection, you can import a Postman collection via file or just copy paste the code, or the curl command is there as well. So for this video, we will see the open specification JSON, and we will click on that. Yeah. So I have an example with me. I will just copy it and just paste it. I will click on next. So my collection is being processed. Uh, and after it gets processed, so it will just give me some of the methods that we can. Yeah. So these are some of the fields that it is in the code. So I will just click on tidbit. Let's test this one and click on next. And for the server URL, okay, for the server URL we have this. So I will just enter the link and click on next. So yeah, we are good to go, and I will click on generate. So after this, the API will be processed for the testing, and will be guided to this dashboard. So it's saying it will take around 4 minutes to complete all the testing or create all the test cases. So yeah, let's wait for it and see what kind of test cases KushoAI has generated for us. Okay, so now we are done with the process, and KushoAI has created some test cases for us. So let's check it out. So after clicking on that link, it will lead us to a dashboard that will have all the test cases present. As you can see, we have a lot of test cases. We have around, okay, 145 test cases. So these test cases are basically how Kusho AI can break our API in 145 ways. So these are the types: positive, negative, URL, missing fields, and yeah, you can search any specific API test as well. So let me just type name. Okay, and yeah, So you can, as you can see, there are a lot of test cases around the name as well. Let's just take some of these test case. uh, is there any special? Okay, okay, so as so we will just see the details here. So as you can see, like there are details provided to show you around the API as well, so you can check it out, or you can just, and yeah. So this is test with tag name containing special characters. So this is okay. So there is at the rate sign here at the name, and you can also do assertions as well using KushoAI. So if I just click on generate using AI, so it will create some assertions for us. So in this case, we have 29 of them. So we will just save and run, and yeah, they are all passing. And you can also um, edit your assertions here, or you can maybe create some manual ones. If I take an example, if I just leave this blank, maybe, or yeah, I think that one works. So we will just save and run, and yeah, this is failed because yeah, we didn't provide any good information around it. So yeah, I think this is it for this video, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned a lot about how you can test your APIs using Kusho AI. And yeah, it's completely free. You just have to download the browser extension, and you can log in, and you don't need to do any other kind of thing. Yeah, so I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next one.